Chimpanzees are intelligent primates, with faces that convey human emotion. Every day, they interact in complex social groups, showing closeness that shows a strong emotional bond between them. In everyday life, chimpanzees show amazing intelligence. They use simple tools, such as sticks or rocks, to find food, displaying impressive adaptations to their environment. Their learning and abstract thinking abilities have come under scrutiny in scientific research, matching those of primates that are closer to humans.